I've got a friction demonstration for you. Here's a cool little toy, and it's crazed. It has blinking lights that are randomly blinking, different colors, different rates. I'm going to set it down, and I'm going to give it a nice little nudge. Wow, look at that. It went all out about 18 inches or so. Now I'm going to reduce the amount of friction, because as we know, friction is the force that opposes the motion of an object. If I can reduce the frictional forces, things should go farther. This thing has a fan on it, so that if I put it in roughly the same spot and give it actually less of a nudge than I gave it the first time, you'll see that it goes pretty far. Nice. How did it make it through there? Look at that. All right. So there you go. Reduce the amount of friction and things can travel farther.